Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to get premium in Tinder. Well, as we all know, Tinder is a famous application. This application is used for, it's a dating application, but also not just dating, maybe more on looking for someone to having a conversation with or a chat with or something like that. But anyways, in order for you to get started, you have to turn on your location. Now, this is what Tinder looks like. This is the application. You can see different uh, faces here, people from different countries, something like that. So, in order for you to have a bit information about Tinder, so if you go to your profile and click this subscription, you have or you can subscribe to any of this plan. First we have here is Tinder, just a basic plan. So the features are or the advantages are control your profile. You can control your profile, control who sees you, control who you see, hide ads, and there's a price for that. I mean, you have to pay for this kind of amount. Now, don't worry because you can also cancel the subscription anytime using this Tinder application. Okay, so the next we have here is the Tinder Platinum. Okay, so we have here advantages: unlimited likes, see who likes you, priority likes, unlimited rewinds, one free boost per month, and so on. So we have also, or you can see here the amount that you have to pay or purchase in order for you to avail this plan. Of course, it is much good or better than the basic plan because with Tinder Platinum, there are more features than the basic. And then lastly, we have here Tinder Gold Plan, and they have the same features with uh, Tinder Platinum. Well, you can see it right here. And also the three of this, you can just cancel it anytime. So that's it. You can find all kinds of partnerships on Tinder. In general, it's a fantastic app for anyone looking to date and socialize. Now let's get into the specifics. The idea behind Tinder is straightforward. If you swipe right, you're interested. And if you swipe left, you're not. You can enjoy the Tinder, just avail any of these plans here. Everything is up to you. If you find this informative, please like and subscribe. And see you again in our next videos.